here today at Unitrunk in Lisburn, in the final stages of their solar PV installation. This is going to be a 50 kilowatt system that's going to be powering both their production facility and their offices. For this project we're using a 400 watt Jinko solar panel. On this particular install there are 125 panels, and this will be comprised with a 50 kilowatt SMA inverter. This is the first stage out of two stages that Unitrunk are going to be doing in their journey to renewable energy. The second stage will be a larger PV system, which will go in conjunction with the current 50 kilowatt that we have behind me.
I'm David Morrow, Managing Director of Unitrunk. When we decided to go green and switch to renewable energy, Andrew at Start Solar was able to walk us through all our options. We are looking forward to the savings we will make and reducing our carbon footprint. It has been a great process working with Start Solar, and I recommend reaching out to Andrew McKee for a solar consultation.